This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. In the last session, we were discuss about string data structure and its operations. So up to swap case, we were discussed clearly. Now here, today, I'm going to discuss more functions on string. So these are the functions on string, remaining functions. So strip function, lstrip function, or strip function. So first we will see that strip function. It returns a copy of the string with both leading and trailing characters removed. Leading and trailing characters removed. That means the left side, right side characters can be removed and it return a copy of the string when we apply strip method. For example, you can see I have a string like s equals to, here I'm giving some space, here also I'm giving some space, leading and trailing spaces these are. Then I'm trying to do that print 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 s dot strip s dot strip. So strip method is remove leading and trailing character spaces like this. Suppose here as it is, if I'm creating string, how it will be, this is without strip. I'm using simply I'm printing s. You can see here I'm giving some spaces. So as this string is available with spaces in the result set. So whenever I apply strip method, then it's going to be apply leading and trailing spaces. It can be removed. This is called strip method. There is lstrip, no? Lstrip returns a copy of the string with leading characters removed. Leading characters means from the first. Suppose lstrip I'm using. Lstrip. Only it remove leading characters. That means from the beginning. And R strip in the sense what? Trailing characters can remove. Trailing characters. Trailing characters. Means here this characters only removed right side, but left side as these spaces are there, no, it is going to be displayed. This is R strip, L strip, strip. Strip returns a copy of the both leading and trailing characters. Next, L strip returns a copy of the string with leading characters. R strip returns a copy of the string with trailing characters removed. These are the functions which are available on a string. Next, length. If you want to find out the length of the given string, so you can use this length. It return length of the string, we can say that. It return length of the string. So string is, this is string s equals to here Durga soft. I want to find out the length of s. So here you can see length of s is 9. So this is the number of characters, that is length of s, 9 is going to be written. Okay. Next, find method. It is used to find substring. It is used to find substring from given string. From given string. If substring is find, then it is going to be find the substring if it is available in your given string. If substring is not there, and it returns -1. It returns -1 if there is no substring. Okay. Suppose you can see substring is this is my string Durga soft is I'll just wait. So want to keep print s and strip as in same print statement. It's give me error. Why print s plus strip of s? Error only give because of s plus means what actually here? S means your string already. Again you are applying strip of s. No, it will not give, it is not going to be apply on existing string. S dot strip you have to apply. On string you have to apply. Strip of S not. Strip is it can be removed. It is not apply. Some functions will not apply on that string directly. Strip of S like this, which is don't have any parameters. You are going strip of S in the sense parameter you are passing. Some functions will not accept parameters. S dot strip in the sense no parameter. That is the case. See here find method I am using. S equals to S equals to my substring is this one. Yes. Now print S dot find of substring is what you want to find out is there any substring? Yes. If it is there substring, in which index is there? 11 index. Like here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11 index it is available. If substring is not there, for example, my substring is AND. Do you have any AND substring? No. It written what? -1. So find method is used to find the substring. If your substring is available, then it return the index of that string, index of the substring. If your substring is not available, then it return what? -1. -1. So max, min, two methods are there. Max method will return highest alphabetical character in a string. Highest alphabetical character. Minimum method will return lowest alphabetical character string. Lowest alphabet character string. Highest alphabetical character, lowest alphabetical character. Max and min. Suppose here this is string print max of S. Yes, max. It written highest alphabetical character U. In this Durga Sahib, U is the highest alphabetical character. You know that. Print min of S. I think D. Sorry, A is highest alphabetical character. Suppose here capital A is there. Yes, always obviously capital A. So ASCII value of the character capital A is low. Low I think. Minimum of S, maximum of S. Any more character also if I give XYZ. So minimum max will return what you can see. Minimum is A, max is Z like this. So highest alphabetical character string will return by max. Lowest alphabetical character string will return by minimum function. So index function also there. Particularly you want to maintain some index. Index of substring. Index of substring. So one substring is there. I want to know the index actually how it is. So print uh, index of S, index of S, sorry, index of X. S dot is not possible. Just wait. Substring in the sense this we have to use index of X. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Index is X value is 10. If I'm giving Y index is what? 11. Like this it is finding index only. Okay. Index method is written. Index method is written index of the substring. R index is there. Highest index of substring. Highest index means you have substring, but that was many times available in a string. But in that highest index substring only will return. Highest index substring. So R index means highest index of substring. We have many substrings. Suppose in my cases, um, uh, suppose Python is language and it is oops and it is scripting So this is my index, suppose my string. So there is just wait. There is a substring actually here. Okay, substring. So each is a substring. Each is a substring. I'm using R index. R index. R index. Now you can see 22. Why 22 is because highest index of the substring. Here 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh index is there. 22 index is there. So highest index is what? 22. So highest index of the substring will be written. So here substring, two substrings are there. Which one is highest index? It is going to be written. Okay. So here and also there, and this is not. This is will return. I think here it is and is 29th index of the substring. Python is language and it is object-oriented programming and means here it is. This is what 29th index. So R index will return highest index of the substring. Highest index of the substring. Okay. Next, coming to that partition. Partition splits the string at the first occurrence of the separator and returns a tuple. See, we have a string. We have a string, and after that, it will be split the string and the first occurrences of the separator and returns a tuple and returns a subtuple. Suppose you can see first occurrence of the separator means first whatever the occurrence is there that there it will be split and remaining things are going to be into the tuple format. That is called partition. Will be divide that. Suppose s dot partition partition and here I'm using and and now let's run. Now you can see Python is language and here it is there. No, whenever and is there immediately it is going to be split partition. After that it's going to be remaining words also tuple format. This is one, this is one, this is one. Three are there actually here. Wherever the first occurrence of your partition start, so that is going to be splitted here. Remaining things will be tuple format. It's going to show. So here Python is a language. Here my partition starts from separator with what and from there onwards it's going to be separated. This is one thing and this is another thing. This is another thing. So this is what separating the string clearly with partition. Suppose my partition, my separator is like this only. Is so what happened here? Python wherever the is separator started, no, it's going to be separate that is remaining completely string is separate words. So partition here, divide the three parts here wherever it is. So if I get doubt here is also is here also available, no. So first occurrences. So clearly observe here partition splits the string at the first occurrence of the separator. First occurrence of the separator means my separator is whatever the first occurrence here it is there, it is separate and remaining things will be written to a tuple actually. Tuple in the sense here it is completely round brackets it is going to create it. Just partition about your string. Now starts with, ends with. These are the two functions. So if you want to know your string is going to be ends with your given thing or starts with your given thing, you can able to check. So starts with function returns true if a string starts with given suffix. If a string starts with given suffix, otherwise return false. Same ends with returns true if a string ends with given suffix, otherwise return false. For example, see s equals to Python is easy, I'm saying. Okay, print s dot starts with s dot starts with a. Is this starts with a? No, because it's Python. False. Starts with p. Is this starts with P? Yes, you can see true. So this is starts with. Ends with, for example, ends with P. It's no, it's not ends with P. Ends with Y. Yes, it ends with Y. Not only Y, you can write group of characters. Ends with easy. Yes, ends with easy. Starts with Python. Yes, starts with Python only. If I give capital letter P, what happen? You can see this. It's going to be false. Okay. Even capital also will not be checked. It starts with small letter. Even I give P capital, now it returns true. So this is called ends with and starts with. Now coming to the thing is digit. Is digit returns true if all characters in the string are digits. It return what? Completely true if all characters in the string are digits. Otherwise it returns false. Suppose s equals to print s dot is digit. It written true because in the characters all are digits only, no? Yes. What happen if I'm giving special symbols? Look at here. False. What happen if I'm giving some alphanumeric alphabetic values? A, written false. Only it's contain digits. If it is digit and it is going to be written true. Otherwise false. If written true, if all characters in the strings are digits, otherwise written false. Is alpha returns true if all characters in the string are alphabet, otherwise it returns false. All characters are in the alphabet. Suppose ABC, ABC. So here I am applying is alpha, is alpha. Yes, it is alphabetic. True. Any one of the character is digit. You can see ABC 5. It's not true. It's false completely. Or else any special character if I am giving like this, only ABC are there or special character is there. Special character is there. So it won't. So completely your string should be all special characters. Then that return true, otherwise it return false. There is other function you can see is ALNUM, that means is alpha numeric in the sense both characters and numbers will be there. So suppose here characters are there, numbers are there. Now here I'm applying is ALNUM, alphanumeric. Yes, it is alphanumeric. Suppose special characters I'm giving special characters, it written false. Okay, so this is about string basic functions. Is alpha, is ALNUM, is digit, ends with, starts with. So complete basic string operations we have seen. Next, coming to this list, actually list is our next data structure, next data type in Python. So already we discussed in the previously what is list. List is a sequence of ordered collection of items. List is ordered collection of items. How to create list? List can be created by using square bracket. Each item can be separated with comma, and list is contain different data type item elements. Yes, it contains string elements, it contain float elements, integer elements, all those things. List is contain duplicate elements. It contain duplicate data type values also. Nested list means what? Nested list means a list which is having another list within it is called nested list. A list which is having another list within it is called nested list. Creating list is simple. Already we have shown just by using square bracket we can able to create the list actually. Accessing elements from list, I'm showing how to access elements from list. Easily we can access by using index. List also support negative index as well as positive index. Both way we can use. So how to access elements from list? From nested elements, nested index also we can use. First let me show the program. After that we'll go with list changing or adding elements into a list. Why changing and adding elements into a list is possible? Because list is what? Mutable nature. Okay, it's going to be support all those things. Next, coming to the point, first we'll show that accessing elements from the list. How I will create one list and all list slicing also I'll show you. LST equals to, suppose 3, 4, 5, 6. Print LST of 4. 4 is an index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is an index, no? Yes. 7 is going to be written. Suppose minus 4 I am giving. Negative index is possible? Yes, it is possible. Negative index is possible, no? Let's start. Minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. That means A. This is called list index. Suppose nested list, if it is nested list, sir, how it is? Nested list means a list which is having one more list within it. Suppose 3, 4, 5, A, B, one list. 6, 7, 8, 10, 20, another list. This is nested list. Print LST of minus 1. Minus 1 in the sense this is completely two elements, one list, no, minus 1 position, that is two element list will be there. Two element list will be there. Sir, I want to get only this only. In this nested list, inside the element I want to get minus 1 of minus 2. Minus 1 of minus 2. That is 10. Here minus 1 is completely here. This one minus 1. Inside again backward minus 1, minus 2. Or else minus 1, 0 also you can use. No problem. Here 0 and 1. Or else minus 1, minus 2. This is. Because negative index. Both are okay. Suppose I want to get B here. B I want to get here. B index is what here? 0, 1, 2. This is what? 3. 3 of 1. 3 of 1 is 0, 1. 3 index and 1. 3 of 1. So that is B. So this is called nested index. We can say that. Nested index. Listless slicing means you know that. LST of slice operator you can use. 3 to 6 index. 3 to 6. 3 to 6 in the sense 0, 1, 2. 3 means this one. 4, 5, 6 means up to 7 only will return. AB and 6, 7. 3 to 6. Next, minus index also, negative index also is possible. Minus 4 colon minus 1. Minus 4 colon minus 1. 6, 7, 8. Yes. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4 to minus 1. This is only here. This is called list slicing, nested index element accessing like this. Now coming to the thing, changing or adding elements to a list. List is mutable as we discussed. That means we can able to change or add elements to a list. How to change or add elements to a list means using assignment operator. Assignment operator using I will show you. But closely observe if what is the difference between assignment operator and what is the difference between append and extend methods in the list. Okay, let me show you. Here LST equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Print LST. LST of 0 index or else any one index. For example, it is index 1 index. 44 item I am adding. Print LST. This is what index to I am adding item. Let's run this. See, original list is this one 2, 3, 4, 5. I am storing in one index what value? 44. 44 is added in place of what? 3. So here existing elements replacing here. Okay, instead of 3, we are storing 44. Existing element is going to be replaced here. This is what we can say uh, adding or changing elements. Suppose multiple elements is possible. Yes, you can see multiple element how it is possible. 2 index onwards 2 elements I want to see. 2 elements means 44, 55 I want to store. 2 index onwards 2 elements. Look at here, 0, 1, 2 index onwards. 2 elements means 44, 55 is there. It is not going to be replaced with 2 elements. Obviously, the existing elements will change the position. Look at here in the result, 4, 5 also there. But we are starting, index is 2, no? 2 onwards, how many elements you want to add? 2 elements I want to add, 2 elements are added. So when we are trying to add multiple elements by using assignment operator, that elements will be as it is add, existing elements will be change the position of the index. When we are trying to add in particular index through, then that index existing value can be replaced with a new value. That is assignment operator through we are changing or adding elements to a list. But there are two more methods also there. Append and extend methods into list. Append and extend method. Append and extend method. Okay. What is append method? Append method is used to add only one value or one item to the list. Append method is used to add only one value or one item to the list, whereas extend method is used to add multiple values to the list. Multiple values. Okay, how it is possible? You can see lst dot append 99. I want to append this value, but by default append method, extend methods will be add elements to the list at the end. That is the difference, at the end. But previously we have shown assignment operator, where onwards you want add, you can decide with index only, from there onwards it will be add. But now append method obviously added at end only. Extend method is used to add only multiple items. For example, I'm trying to add multiple items to the append method only. Is this possible? No, it's not possible. See, multiple items I'm trying to add. It shows here. Completely this one is one item. Yes, one item. It's not multiple item. One item is one list. You can see this. It's not. Append method will not add multiple items directly. It will be treated as one item. It is another list. It is added like this. Okay, you have to remember. Next, extend method you can apply. Now this time you can see extend method will be added multiple items. 99, 89 is added at the end only. So extend method is used to add multiple items to the list, whereas append method is used to add single item to the list. But these both methods are add items to the list at the end. Okay. But assignment operator through whenever we add, wherever it is required to add, you can add it, no problem at all. That is next list concatenation and multiplication. That is concatenation purpose, adding two or more list into single one, that is called list concatenation. List multiplication means one list you want to display repeated number of times, you can do that. Print here my list is 345 plus 567. So this is list concatenation. Next, list multiplication. One list I am creating here 345. This I want to display in number of times, like 3 times. The list multiplication. It's very simple. Now coming to the thing, insert method in list. Insert method. How to insert this? What is the speciality of this? Sir, we have given assignment operator no already. That is also storing the value. No, what is the difference between that and this? When we use assignment operator, particular index, existing element was replaced actually. But whenever we are giving insert method using index based, existing elements will be changed its position. It will not remove. LST equals to 2345. Print LST. Print. What we can see, LST dot insert of second index 55 elements I want insert. Print LST. second index. Second index means 0, 1, 2. 3 after 55 came. But is that 4 replaced? No. 4 is going to be as it is there. Immediately it changed the position actually here. That is the difference between assignment and insert method. Insert method is used to insert element into list at a desired location. At a desired location. Whereas assignment operator also we can add elements into list a desired location, but existing element can be replaced. That is assignment. So here existing element will not be replaced. Existing elements will change its position whenever new element is going to that position. So this is two location 55 was added, but immediately 45 also will be extended. This is insert method. So these are the differences actually. Insert method, assignment operator, append method, extend method. Append and extend methods elements can be added at the end of the list by default. Append is used to add one element, extend is used to add multiple elements. Assignment operator through whenever we assign the value. So in place of existing value, we are assigning particular index. But insert method, whenever we are assigning the value, then the existing value will not be replaced. It will be change the index position. Newly element will be going to add it to that list. So this is insert method. Delete or remove elements from list. Yes, list is immutable nature. We can able to delete one item or more item clearly, and we can delete entire the list also possible. How to delete? You can see to delete we have to use del keyword. So del lst of one index. One index I want to remove the item. One index I want to remove the item. So print lst. Print lst. So one index is what? Tree is there, no? Tree is gone. Okay. Suppose I want to del 2 to 2. That means two index onwards, two elements. 0, 1, 2. Two index onwards, two elements means 4, 5 is gone. Sorry, it's not going. Just wait. One index onwards, two elements, for example. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 in the sense 0, 1, 2. 1 to 2 in the sense what? Only one element. Suppose here 2 to 2 in the sense, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Why? Because 0, 1, 2. 2 to 2. That means up to 2 here it is. Okay. Even it is not going to be displayed here. 2 to 2 in the sense up to 2. So if I am giving 0 to 2 or 0 to 3, 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 means up to 3, no? 2, 3, 4, it's going to be deleted. Undoubtedly, yes. So within the slice through, we can able to delete. Or delete complete list also is possible. Delete LST. After deleting complete list, I'm trying to print LST. It shows error actually because once deleted name LST is not defined. So deleting complete list is possible here. Next, remove pop clear. What is this remove pop clear? Remove method is used to remove based on item. Pop method is used to remove based on index. Clear method is used to clear all the elements from the list. For example, first let me apply clear method. lst dot clear print lst print lst. So list elements clear or not? Yes, empty list. Suppose lst dot remove method I'm using. Remove. Remove method is used to remove based on item, no? Yes. So my item is 2. 2 is there an item? Yes, it is there, no? Yes. 2 is there, no? 2 item is gone. It's not index actually, item. Okay. 2 item is there. 5 item is there? Yes. 5 item also there. It's gone. But what happen if item is not there? See here, it shows X not in list, value error. Your value is not there. Remove method. Next, pop method I'm using. POP pop. Pop method is used to display an item based on what? Index. Index means here 0, 1. 1 in the sense that is 3 item is removed. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose here 0 means 0 index, no? 0 index has been removed based on index. Suppose what happen if I'm not going to be pass any index? Strictly remember in the pop method, whenever we are not supply any index, by default pop method will remove last item from the index, last item from the uh, list only. It's going to be remove last item only. Whatever last item is there, that is going to be removed here. Pop method if there is no index. If index is there, second index 0, 1, 2, 4 element will be gone. Now 4 element will be gone. That is pop method. So using index you want to delete, pop method can be used. Using item you want to delete, remove method can be used. Uh, Clear method is used to clear the all elements. Delete or remove in the sense, delete method in the sense, del keyword can be used to delete one item, particular index, multiple items with slicing. Entire the list also we can able to delete like that only. So how it is list sort? That means I want to do the list sort, lst dot sort elements. Is this possible directly here lst sort? Yes, you can see my list elements are not in sort order. 4, 2, 8, 7, 1, 9, 3. Print lst dot sort. Print lst dot sort. Sort method. Ascending, sorry, we cannot apply directly lst dot sort. Sorry. Print lst. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Ascending order. So descending order is possible. Yes, it is possible. Lst dot sort of reverse order. Reverse equals to true option is there. So when we apply reverse equals true, it will be reverse order. 9, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. Descending order. So ascending and descending both are possible here. Okay. List copy. List copy is nothing but what, there is no copy method, just transferring one list element into another list. LST1 is there, for example. LST1. LST1 is copy of the list. I want to transfer this LST1 into LST2. LST2 equals to LST1. Then print LST2. Yes, same copy will be maintained. This is called copying elements from the one list into another list. Assigning complete list values to another list. That is called list copy, we can say. There is no specific copy method, COPY like this. List count and index. Count to method is nothing but what? Your item, how many number of times repeatedly there. List count. Okay. Suppose here, uh, better to take a character list that will be understand. A, see here, list 1 dot count. I want to know how many number of times P occurrences. Count method will return that count 2 times. I want to know L number of occurrences 1 time. List index is different. List index. Particular item index you want to know, then we can use index. LST1 dot index of what item index you want? P. P in the sense 0, 1. Two P's are there, no? First occurrences, what index is there? That is only. For example, L index, I want to know that. L index, how much it is? 0, 1, 2, 3. L index. So this is index. Index is used to find the item index from the list. Count is used to count the number of occurrences of the item in the list. Now, creating list from user values or creating list from by using range function. How it is? So let me show both. Creating list from user values. So I want to accept values from the user. After that, I have to add that values to the list here. So for that, I'm creating empty list here. Empty list. After that, item one. Item one equals to int of input of. Just I'm asking enter int item. Enter int item. Same way, 3 items I want to add. Item 2, item 3. Here, enter string item. Like this one string. Here, enter float item. Just different items I am going to accept here. float item. User, whatever user entered items, that items will be stored in item 1, item 2, item 3. How to bind these items into list? How it is? How it is means, yeah. Can you share the document of the string? Yes, yes. Document already I have saved. Complete document to you people. See here, item 1, item 2, item 3 are there. These items I want to append. lst dot lst dot append lst dot append item 1. Append method is used to add only one by one item only. Item 2. Yes, yes. Item 2. lst dot append item 3. Three items are appended. Print lst. That's it. Enter item. Int item 34. String item. Sai. Uh, enter floating item. Right. These are the items are there. So instead of this, we can able to extend method also. lst dot extend item 1, item 2, item 3. Now you can see extend method 32 name like this. We have extended added like this. This is what creating a list by using user inputs also. We can also use a range function to create list. It's very simple. So print list of range of 2 to 20 34. So these are the list items. List can be created by using range function also. Yes, this is about complete list data structure. Okay. In next session we will discuss about tuple data structure, all those things. Next session will be on Monday. We'll see Monday again same time. Yes, yes, yes. I'll send that notepad document also, don't worry. Yes. See you on Monday, 6 a.m. Hello, Mister. Hello. Hello, Arshad Chauhan.
Yes.
Tell me, do you have any doubts?